This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. Modern homemaking encompasses learning about time saving, efficient living, cleanliness, and enjoying household tasks. Introducing smart habits can streamline routines for an efficient and pleasant life. This video explores ingenious homemaking practices to simplify tasks and create a comfortable living space. Let's get started. When returning clothes to your closet, allocate just 5 minutes to swiftly arrange them. It's a mere 5 minutes, but trust me, it can save you a ton of time down the road. This habit also ensures your clothes remain neat and tidy at all times. Admittedly, there are moments when we are in a rush and we simply toss clothes into the closet. It's happened to me too. However, the next time you open your closet, invest 5 minutes to tidy it up. Whenever you come across items that are out of order, past their prime, broken or torn, don't simply ignore them and put them back. Instead, take a moment to remove them from their place. For instance, I have found a smart use for torn clothes by repurposing them as disposable wipes in the kitchen. I keep them collected there for easy access. If there is anything in need of repair, I make a note of it. Just recently, while changing the cushion covers in my living room, I noticed one of the filler covers was torn. Although I used it that day, I made sure to repair it later when I had the time. I took an old and discarded cushion cover, placed the torn filler inside it, and zipped it up. Opting for a light color ensured it would not show through the main cushion cover. Afterward, I place the regular cushion cover over it. It's not prudent to discard something that can be fixed or repurposed. If an item is beyond repair or repurposing, it makes sense to let it go. Feel free to unleash your creativity through DIY projects using items readily available at home. As a homemaker, the pursuit of saving money becomes second nature. It's a wise practice to tap into the resources within your home. While some DIY creations may demand time, the end result will bring you joy as it translates into cost savings. For instance, I recently needed extra shoe organizers, and instead of buying new ones, I repurposed shoe boxes. By cutting the bottom part in half, they turn into functional solutions. You can use them as they are or enhance their appearance by wrapping or painting them. Personally, I added vinyl sheet to mine, and the transformation is quite appealing. These organizers are fantastic space savers that truly make the most of the available space. It's always a great idea to have a set of essential tools at home, such as nails, a screwdriver, screws, and a measuring tape. These tools prove invaluable for tackling immediate repairs. Often minor fixes are incredibly simple, like reattaching a cabinet handle or hanging a painting on the wall. Having these tools on hand expedites the process and makes it incredibly convenient. In addition to these basics, I also maintain a hot glue gun at home. This versatile tool serves a dual purpose: crafting impressive DIY projects and addressing minor repairs. This tool serves as a handy problem solver for various situations around the house. You have likely come across the advice to create a daily, weekly cleaning and organizing schedule and adhere to it. Whether you opt for a daily or weekly routine, these habits become ingrained as part of our daily life. However, I want to stress the significance of crafting a monthly deep cleaning schedule. This schedule ensures that you care for your appliances adequately, yielding optimal performance from them. Regularly cleaning appliances like the fridge, washing machine, vacuum cleaner, and kitchen gadgets is pivotal for maintaining an efficient and productive household. Neglecting proper maintenance could lead to their rapid deterioration, hindering their ability to assist you effectively in your daily tasks. Remember, a little investment in upkeep goes a long way in ensuring the longevity of your appliances and the smooth functioning of your home life. Make it a habit to tackle one part of your home every week. Clear everything out, give the area a good clean, and go through what's there. Arrange things smartly. If an organization method is not cutting it and things keep getting messy, try a different approach. Consistently decluttering and reorganizing as a habitual routine will contribute to maintaining the cleanliness and orderliness of your home. It's important not to overlook areas that require special attention, such as our bathrooms. Bathrooms are spaces that, if neglected, can accumulate dirt and mold over time, particularly hard water stains. To prevent these stains from becoming stubborn, it is essential to address them regularly. A mere 5 minutes each week dedicated to thorough cleaning can make a significant difference. The best part, you don't need extravagant cleaners for this task. A solution of vinegar and dish liquid works wonder. However, if you encounter truly tenacious stains that seem challenging to remove, let me share an effortless solution. Grab some white toothpaste and apply it generously to the affected area, allowing it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes. Afterward, use a scrub pad to gently scrub away the stains. The results will astonish you. Your fixtures will gleam as if brand new. This simple technique showcases the power of everyday items in maintaining a sparkling and fresh bathroom. As homemakers, it is always wise to save time, enabling us to redirect those precious moments towards activities we truly enjoy. Place frequently used items conveniently to avoid deep cupboard storage. For example, if there is room in your living room, store cushion covers and throws in a cupboard to save time and effort when you need them. Likewise, arrange the dining table intentionally with cutlery, coasters, toothpicks, salt, pepper, and favorite pickle. This minimizes mealtime fetching and accumulates time-saving benefits. Embrace these practical tactics to optimize routines and enjoy joyful activities. Embrace your homemaking journey and take pride in it. If you maintain a clean and organized home, do it not for others but for your own satisfaction. The joy you feel when you see your living space neat and orderly is the ultimate reward. While it is natural to seek recognition from family and friends, that should not be the primary focus. Your goal should revolve around your contentment and convenience. After all, it's you too who reaps the benefit of an organized home. So relish the journey instead of allowing stress to take over. Personally, I find joy in cleaning and organizing my home. People often say things like, "Does anyone actually cook in this kitchen or is it just for show?" Some might think it's untouched because it looks so clean, but that's not true. This kitchen serves its purpose diligently. We prepare all our main meals, snacks, and beverages here every day. Its cleanliness stems from dedicated efforts in maintaining it, and I take immense pride in it. And that's all about this video. Incorporating these smart homemaking habits into your daily routine can elevate your quality of life through enhanced efficiency and comfort. Remember, every small change contributes to a more intelligent and fulfilling way of managing your home. Hope you enjoyed today's video. See you all next week. Happy homemaking from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.